Hi all, hope all are doing good. Be safe, have healthy food. I invite all of you to listen this video completely. Today we are going to see very great useful feature of YouTube. This will be very useful for those who uploaded long video for 10-20 minutes or more. Here is the thing. You have description part for your video that you need to give time here 2:30 minute. If I click that, it will open 5th July topic. Like that, you need to give all the time duration with the corresponding topic in your video. If you click on that time, it will go directly to your video at that duration. Here I clicked 7 minute, so it opened the video with from 7th minute. You can give all your details with time in the description box of your video so that the viewers can see your video easily. No need to drag the video. We can watch the video based on the topic you are speaking at that time. Here you went to 7th minute of my video. This is a really helpful tip for the people who are uploading long duration video. Here's the thing. You can mention video details in the comment box also. The timestamp and the corresponding topic. I have given timestamp and the date. If I click that timestamp, it opened that corresponding 19th July slide. So it is a very useful thing. You can give it in description as well as you can give it in comment section of your video. I have clicked 16:30. It opened the video at 16:30. You can use it effectively. Thank you very much for listening to this. Please apply this in your video so that the viewers can view your video easily at any time of your video. You can share it with anyone to use this simple technique in their video to get the viewers. Give your valuable comments in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you like this channel. Thank you very much.